The purpose of this video is how to recall mail in Outlook. First, we should open Outlook. Let's click on the folder that says Sent Items. And here I see the email that I wish I could take back. Double-click on that email message. Once it opens up on the top ribbon in the center, you'll see a menu with actions. Click on that. Here now you see an option that says Recall. Click on that. And that opens up a prompt, and you have two different options. You can just delete the message, or you can make tweaks to the message, and then send out a replacement. I'll simply delete the message and then click on OK. Here now, I see a confirmation message telling me that it attempted to recall the message. I believe that recalling an email is a better option than sending it again. Please do subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching this video.